In this video, I'm going to show you what your signer will receive when you send them a request for a signature from CompanyCam. So as you can see, I'm in my email right now and I've sent myself this request, and I'm just going to open up this email and they will immediately see this big blue review and sign button. They just need to click right there and they will be taken to the document. Now, one thing to keep in mind is they will always receive this message first, indicating that this is not a legally binding document. So this is just indicating that it is not yet a legally binding document until after they sign and confirm that it is now legally binding. So I'm just going to click the OK button, and then they can go right to the upper right-hand corner and click that Get Started. And that will take them down to the very first field. So it looks like we have a text box here, and I need to indicate if this is arbitration, mediation, or negotiation. We'll just say negotiation, and then I can click next, and it will take me down to the next field. So it's already filled out my name from when they sent that to me. And then if I need to sign that, I can just click to sign here. Now, this will allow me to either draw in my signature, type that in, or take a photo of my signature. If I've done this before in Dropbox or through CompanyCam, it will give me these saved options if I've drawn that in before. So I'm just going to select that, then click this Insert button, and then you'll see that the date is already pre-populated from when this was sent. So that looks like everything that I need to fill out. Otherwise, I would have another Next button up there. But since it says Continue, I can just click Continue, and then you will see that they will receive this message indicating that it's almost done, and they will need to agree to that being a legally binding document. Once they've read that over, they can click that blue I agree button, and then it will give them this list of documents that have been signed or unsigned.